This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Highlander windshield wipers. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Next, find the small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to disengage the old blade from the arm. This simple step prepares your vehicle for a quick and easy replacement. Once the tab is pressed, carefully slide the old wiper blade down and off the hook on the wiper arm. It should come off with minimal effort. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm firmly so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit the windshield, which could cause damage. Pay attention to how the old blade was oriented for easier installation of the new one. Now, take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the hook of the wiper arm. Push it up until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Make sure the blade is facing the same direction as the one you removed for optimal performance. With the new blade installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Highlander. Once both new blades are in place, turn on your vehicle and test them using the windshield washer fluid. This ensures they are working correctly and providing clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.